If your tractor has a FendtONE cab and is equipped with a reversing engine fan, there's a couple different settings that you can do to change that. So under the engine and transmission tab in the terminal, we're going to go all the way to the right over here. So there's a couple icons. So one icon is going to be on this far right. If we go ahead and select that, then that is going to manually cause that engine to reverse. So if we get a bunch of chaff or something that builds up sooner than we have a timer set for, it'll go ahead and remove that for us. The other option is we can set it on an automatic timer to go ahead and reverse at a timed interval. So if we turn the timer function on, the longest duration between those two is going to be 240 minutes, or we can drag it way down to 10 minutes. So depending on what you're doing, you'll need to change that interval of when you want that fan to reverse in order to keep that radiator optimally clean.